Hello, ceramic friends. It is Tuesday, December 8th, and today is your Tuesday end of day roundup. So today I introduced something that I wanted to share with you folks. One of our custodial staff members had reminded me of this. We had talked a little bit about the ideas of wabi-sabi and how, the imperfection in something can actually be its beauty. This kintsukuroi is a style of art going along with the philosophy that the piece can be even more beautiful after it's been broken. And it is a style of art that you take pieces of ceramics that have been broken and you actually use a gold or silver lacquer to repair it. And it's really interesting stuff. You can look it up online, but going along with kind of Wu Wei, going along with the flow, and kintsukuroi and wabi-sabi, it's all these really awesome philosophies that I just wanted to share with you. Kind of enriches our own program. Today, we spent some time looking at that, and it's going to connect to something I'm going to have you do on Thursday for homework, which is going to be watching a video about Beijing artist Ai Weiwei. He's a very interesting individual, and specifically you will see his sunflower seed project, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about him on Friday as well, but you'll see that and write a reflection. That's coming up on Thursday. Today we did have some work time so that students who needed to work on their seasonal tile finish that up and then work on the progressive tile series were able to do that. Items are coming in and I'm very excited to see the stuff that you have done. Please keep doing that, and of course take clay as you need it. I want you to make sure that you have enough. Okay. Tomorrow is a full work day, but if you need to touch base with me, please do. You can always email me, message me through Unified, give me a call here, whatever. I'm always here. You know that. So have a great day, folks, and I'll see you officially on Thursday.